guys, welcome Poland's Garage. So today we are at Justin's house again and we are gonna weld the side pipes on. I bring my welder over there and all we are fighting with right now is the fucking grinding wheel that doesn't work. Yeah. But we need to find something so we can send down the pipes, so I have like clear metal to like kind of spot weld it on, you know. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today.
Welcome to Poland's Garage. Poland is tack welding.
Do you think that's gonna work? Like 4?
With the Chicago electric welder.
Ow. A little blind.
What do you think?
That's gonna work. As long as I can just spot weld it on.
Okay, we should be good.
I put the pipe on the side right here. I sand it down a little bit so we have bare metal. And we're gonna just like spot weld it right here so this thing doesn't fail. And that should work for now. So
It's digital. Pow.
wow. Are you excited, Matthew, to weld something on the ElCamino?
Not really, it's gonna fucking...
How you fucking do it?
Poland is on the other side. Sanding the other side so I can weld it. Welcome to Poland's Garage.
I'm gonna catch you up.
Country. Turn my welder on, please.
The Chicago Perfect.
Thank you. Oh shit!
There's a
Wet.
few. Are you fucking kidding me?
Just kidding.
You put in the water.
Ow, fucking bitch! Shocked me.
There it is, Matthew. Be careful because there's fuel lines right there.
What is there?
Yeah.
We're gonna cook this bitch on fire.
So we put the side pipes on. Looks pretty good to me. I might put some tips on it later on so it looks cleaner, but I'm not sure about that yet. I like it so far. What are we gonna do right now?
Can we put the militia tips on them?
I want to put those fat, yes, from AutoZone, the fat ass one.
Yes.
Yes, this one. This is what I was thinking about.
You know, I think we need an AutoZone sponsor.
We should get it, yeah. Josh, what are we gonna do right now?
I'm gonna put my fucking mufflers on now.
Rip them off or put them on?
We're gonna cut it off, take a video of what it sounds like, and then put them
Just how we did on the ElCamino.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, sounds good to me. Alright guys, so we are putting his truck in right now. We're gonna do the mufflers, Matthew's gonna weld them on, and we're gonna see how it's gonna sound like. Wait, don't turn it off yet!
Stop!
Stop!
You're gonna fucking kill
What the
them.
fuck?
Go.
Forward, a little bit forward.
God, okay, you're good.
Rev it up, Josh!
Hey, rev it up in neutral.
That's cute.
Okay, that's stock.
That's stuck, yeah, we don't like it.
Oh, no, cut
Nope.
the bitch off.
So we're gonna cut it somewhere around here. Wait, are we deleting this muffler?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna cut it all the way over there. We're gonna see how it's gonna sound like. Hopefully that sounds badass.
Hold the muffler.
Why is it such a big pain in the ass?
Because Matt made it sound like it was 2 steps.
Cut it welded.
Pretty much.
It is 2 steps. Cut it welded. This clamp have more rust than the one on my ElCamino. It's Chicago Electric. You see, who said $40 welder cannot weld? Do you like it, Josh?
Yeah, I like it, Paul.
Alright guys, so Matthew welded the second muffler on and we are gonna start it right now and see how it's gonna sound like. Rev it up! good to me.